Hey guys, it's Micky. So today's video, I'm going to take my time to tell you how to use our Seville orange to get the best results. Now, this is our Seville orange, which was formerly known as porcelain oil. It's a brightening, polishing oil. And this is how it comes in 200 ml, only 200 ml. We don't sell it in another container or another bottle. This is how it usually comes, because people are asking questions. Does it not come in 1 liter and 500 ml anymore? No, it now comes in 200 ml. We made it affordable for people to be able to buy it. Okay, and now this oil is suitable for people with sensitive, normal, and combination skin. But you want to use it. Let's say you want to go to a party and you want to lighten your skin in less than 2 weeks. You want a beautiful glow, you want a brightening polish so that it will, your skin will pop. Now, this oil will be used alongside with a scrub every night. So if you're going to be using this oil every night, you're going to add a scrub to it. Now, the exfoliation you're going to get alongside this oil is salt scrub. Please don't use acid or sugar. Sugar won't be sharp enough to give you a good result within the few weeks you want to get a lighter skin or a polished skin to go to a party, to have that even glow and go to a party. So salt will do the work alongside this oil. But make sure this oil is used only at night. You don't need to apply morning and night. Only at night will still give you the result you want. But make sure you scrub on a daily to get you a good result. People do not want to go to parties, but you just want people to feel your skin, to see how your skin pops. People keep asking, Micky, in how many days you've given birth? We saw you when you were pregnant, and now your skin is not the same. Kilo Shelly, how did it happen? Well, many of you are going to be surprised, I know, but scrub does the trick. A good scrub, apart from being a good scrub, and also brightening, polishing oil. So our Seville orange is used only at night. Now, people are going to be asking, is it used on the face? It's too active for it to be used on the face, all right? So please avoid using it on the face. Also avoid using it on your chest, too much on your chest, no. Sparingly on the chest so you don't get to break out. Now, around your body, yes, and make sure you use it generously, because now these days people are trying to minimize the oil, and I don't blame you. I know why, but try and be generous with the oil. Massage it all over your body. So if you want to place your order on our oil, you can place your order on our website, which is www.mickyskincare.ng, or you chat us up on WhatsApp. That is +234 818 541 7558, and someone will definitely get in contact with you about our oil. You can also go on our catalogs on WhatsApp to get the oil. I'm gonna see you guys in my next YouTube video. And Micky loves you like key, low, day. Bye guys.